Good evening, everyone. Hope all are doing good. Today, I will share my day 5 learning from the video Stranger Secret by Elle Nightingale. Yesterday, I have said that to be successful in life, we should plant our goals in our mind. We should control our thoughts. We must control our thinking. It is all in how it is used for good or bad. Life should be full of exciting adventure. It should not be a bore. A person should work fully, be alive. You should glad to get up in the morning. You should love to doing a job what you love to do. According to Sir Isaac Newton, in his third law of Newton, he has described that for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. So it applies to you and me also. It means that we can achieve nothing without paying the price. So what is the price? It is many things. Elle Nightingale tells that there are around 5 things. First one is think, second one is imagine, third one is courage, fourth one is savings, and 5th one is action. So coming to first one, we have already discussed in our previous learnings that we must control our thoughts. We become what we think about. As we sow, so shall we reap. Coming to second one, imagine. It is realization that your limitations are self-imposed and the opportunities for you today are enormous beyond belief. It is rising above narrow-minded pettiness and prejudice. And the third one, courage. It is using all your courage to force yourself to think positively on your own problem, to set a definite and clearly defined goal for yourself, and to let your marvelous mind to think about your goal from all possible angles. And 4, save 10% of whatever you earn. 5th, action. Ideas are worthless unless you act on them. So what we do at morning rituals? We write our goals. Then we write the 3 tasks what we do in daily. The 3 tasks are the baby steps what will be done on daily basis. Your goal may be 3, your goal may be 5. It depends upon you how you write your goals. After writing your goals and the baby steps, you visualize it in your mind. So the actions are the baby steps you are daily writing on it. So this is all for today. See you tomorrow. Thank you.